Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushua, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushua Ba'ashem, Rakakwadash. Double honor to the apostles, the elders. Salutations to you, sincere brothers, teaching the truth and in sincerity. And this lesson will be entitled A Pink Moon, an Omen to the Elect. My source, USA Today. And this article is entitled Biggest, Brightest Full Moon Will Be Visible Tonight. Here's how to view it from home. And it states, April's full moon is known as the pink moon, but it won't really be pink. How did it get its nickname, and why is it so super? And it states, the biggest, brightest supermoon of 2020. The full moon occurs precisely at 10:35 p.m. on April the 7th, according to Earth Sky. And it states, the term supermoon was coined in 1979 by astrologer Richard Noel. It has become an increasingly popular and media-friendly term in the decades since then. According to NASA, it's used by the media today to describe what astronomers would call a Persian full moon. The full moon this month is also nicknamed the pink moon, but don't look for a pinkish hue to the moon this month. According to the Old Farmer's Almanac, April's full moon often correspond with the early springtime blooms of phlox subulata, a pink wildflower native to eastern North America. Okay? So according to this information, it states the full moon often corresponded with the early springtime blooms of phlox subulata, a pink wildflower native to eastern North America. Let's get some precepts. Genesis 1:14. And the Elohim said, let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and for seasons and for days and years. A pink moon, okay, is a sign of the heavens. But let's continue. Acts 2:19, and I will show wonders in heaven above and signs in the earth beneath, blood and fire and vapor of smoke. Verse 20, the sun shall be turned into darkness and the moon into blood before the great and notable day of the Lord come. All right? So like I stated before, wonders in the heaven above, you can equate this to a so-called pink moon, all right, which is not really pink, okay? But let's continue. One more precept. Luke 21:25. And there shall be signs in the sun and in the moon and in the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring. Okay? Hence, signs in the moon. Now, who is speaking? Yahweh Shai. And this is in regards to what? His second coming. Luke 21:7. And they asked him, the disciples, who later became holy apostles, saying, Master, referring to Yahweh Shai, but when shall these things be? And what sign will there be when these things shall come to pass? All right. Now, let's utilize a spiritual perspective. All right, this source is actually entitled or called Salakia, Empower Yourself with colorpsychology.com. And all psychology means is the study of the spirit, okay? So from a spiritual sense, the color pink here's the point. In color psychology, pink is a sign of hope. A pink moon, okay? A so-called pink moon. In color psychology, pink is a sign of hope. Hope for who? The elect. Prior to what? The second coming of Yahweh Shai. And going into Jacob's trouble. Okay? It is a positive color inspiring warm and comforting feelings, a sense that everything will be okay. This is an omen to the elect only of the nation of Israel. Okay? Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahushua is telling us through the Holy Spirit regarding this sign of the heaven that everything is going to be okay as long as we keep our faith in Him and His Son Yahweh Shai. We will be okay, and you have to believe it and ask the Most High for more faith. Okay? I'll read this again. In color psychology, pink is a sign of hope. It is a positive color inspiring warm and comforting feelings, a sense that everything will be okay. The Most High is giving us signs. We have to take heed. So Luke 21:25. And there shall be signs in the sun, and in the moon, and in the stars. All right? So a sign in the moon is what? A so-called pink moon. And the Most High is conveying to us through the Spirit, everything is going to be okay. And upon the earth, the stress of nations with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring, Salakia. And let me go back to this last, the second precept. That's Acts 2, verse 19. And I will show wonders in heaven above and signs in earth beneath, blood and fire and vapor of smoke. The sun shall be turned into darkness and the moon into blood before that great and notable day of the Lord come. So we are going to continue to see signs in the heaven, or Salakia, signs in the heavens. However, A pink moon is symbolic to the elect, and it's a token that, we will be okay. Lord will, you're edified. Shalom.